Get ready to soar into the future of aviation with one transformative event. From May 21st to 23rd, 2024, the Riyadh Airports Company proudly hosts the World Annual General Assembly, Conference and Exhibition, or WAGA2024, under the esteemed patronage of the custodian of the two holy mosques, and His Royal Highness, the Crown Prince. This pivotal gathering in Riyadh marks a milestone in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's journey towards becoming a central hub in global aviation. With the theme "The Global Race: How to Stand Out in a Competitive Airport Ecosystem," WAGA 2024 will spotlight crucial discussions on Saudi's strategic roles and contributions to the international air transport arena. This event not only underscores Riyadh Airport's contributions toward the kingdom's ambitious Saudi Vision 2030, but further cements its position as a key logistical nexus, connecting three continents. Join us as we explore how Saudi Arabia is shaping the future of global aviation and trade. Witness the transformation at WAGA 2024.